After unboxing the Shark Ion W1 cord-free handheld vacuum, you'll need to fully charge the Ion Charge battery. To do so, plug the Ion charging dock and place the handheld vacuum in the dock. You'll know the unit is charging when the power button LED light slowly pulses blue. When the Shark Ion W1 is fully charged, the LED light will glow a solid blue. The LED light indicates the status of the handheld vacuum. If the light is quickly flashing blue, the battery needs to be charged. Simply place the handheld vacuum on the Ion charging dock. If the light repeats a pattern of 2 blue flashes and a pause, then your handheld vacuum has a clog or blockage. Turn the power off, remove clogged debris, and then turn power back on. To empty the dust cup, hold the handheld vacuum over the trash. Press the release button to empty the debris with a single touch. Close the dust cup and return to cleaning or charging. Now with an XL dustbin and a self-cleaning brush roll, the Shark Ion Robot Vacuum R85 consistently captures short and long hair, dust, dander, and allergens to prevent everyday buildup in your home. Smart Sensor Navigation 2.0 with advanced sensor technology helps the robotic vacuum navigate around obstacles and objects to complete the cleaning job. 2 spinning side brushes pull in debris from corners and edges, and with bot boundary strips, you can create no-go areas for your robot. Schedule or start cleaning from anywhere with the Shark Ion Robot app, or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Ease of a robot, performance of a shark.
It's a perfect combination of technology and art. 6 Germany Design Awards owner, lightweight and exquisite. 4-fold cleaning system, equipped with a BLDC with 80,000 revolutions per minute. 6-cell imported lithium battery for 40 minutes endurance. Multi-choices of cleaning brushes. Deep acrid removal rate. The magnet design makes it easy to storage and charge. Wireless dust vacuum cleaner is designed to suit youngsters.